feature of supporting green technology, supporting the future. And then, yep, this is the view picture we had. And then this is the top view of our car. And then you heard just now the previous presentation. You have the battery placed at the side, which allowed us to have the airflow to cool down the batteries. The motor will be placed at the back. And then, what if Steven crashed the car? It's still okay, because as you see, this is the price of each of the parts. So when Steven had crashed the car, and then he had to fix and replace each of the parts, it actually cost him a total cost of 1,575, which is for most drivers is considerably cheap, I say, because compared to some other kind of parts, it's actually much expensive than this price. So Steven will not be worried about his money when he crashes any car, so he can have a free way to drive the car. Then how we gotta share the experience? So we will provide unconditional support, which is in track days. Yep. And then we also provide arrive and drive, which is we always do in Taylor Motorsport Engineering. So if we can do it for ourselves, we can do it for a customer as well. And then we will provide Steven with track side support whenever he had some racing, and of course coaching, on-demand coaching, and of course 24/7 tech support if Steven have anything to inquire about his car or any performance improvements. Okay, how we gonna market this TM15 into the market? So this is the strategy. Firstly, we have two trim levels, which is one race model, which is the TM15 itself, which high performance, is more expensive. And some Stevens, they actually prefer kit cars which they can modify themselves. So we will provide the kit cars option as well, which is much cheaper. And of course, we will provide option packages such as like data acquisition, GPS, lap timer, which will help Steven in some idea to how to increase his car's performance. And then the wireless charging and custom paint job for some car enthusiastic pleasures. Okay, so we are relatively new and small company, so this is how we gotta reach out to all the Stevens out there. So we firstly will publicize ourselves in advertisement through main Malaysian newspaper, which is the Star, the Age, New Straits Times, and of course the widely circulated Suns. And then, as a modern day company, we will reach out to Stevens in websites, in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also we will participate in trade shows, various trade shows in Malaysia. And then, in manufacturing, we expect to manufacture 12 cars a year, which is one per month, in this 25,000 square miles of land area, which provide us with various machining, CNC machining, wiring, attachment, and assembly. And you can see there, actually the track is beside the workshop itself, so it allows us to test the vehicle once we finish producing it. Then we also provide other options as well. Okay, we move on to the sales plan. So we are selling our kit car at 40,000, race car at 60,000. This is the production cost. Sorry, the kit car at 40,000 will cost us around 40,000. Race car will cost us 60,000. So how we gonna profit from it is actually resetting this percentage. So kit car will be profit margin of 40%, race car will be 60, option will be 200 200%, and then spare part will be 400%. So and then extra sell, if we're having a good year, we'll bump the options to 60% a year to profit further generate extra income for the company. And then for the fellow investors, for you guys, the plan is like that. For what you will invest 1 million over the 2 years, and then you'll be given 45% ownership of the company, 3.5 years to break even, and then you generate around 55% ROI, return on investment. In worst case scenario, if like our company didn't start off so well or something happened in between the years, you still will expect you to still have a return on investment of 10%. And so in a nutshell, the Taylor Motorsports and Berhad wants to share an unforgettable experience, and then by introducing the safe drilling and high-tech TM50, because we also have solid expansion plan and profitable partnerships. Yep. So that will sum up the presentation. So I can